Next class is of aves. Aves were they are derived from avis, that means birds. It includes all the flying animals, that is included in the birds. It includes flying animals, flying animals, flying animals having exoskeleton, having exoskeleton, that is feathers, having exoskeleton feathers, warm blooded, warm, that is means homeothermos. Homeo means that is equal, same. The body temperature remains same always. If the external temperature will be rise or low, but the body temperature is of constants. That is homeothermos, or we can say warm-blooded. Body divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Head, neck, trunk and tail. Forelimbs. Forelimbs modified into wings. Forelimbs modified into wings, and hind limbs that is four clawed digits. Four clawed digit that have hind limbs have four clawed digit, and forelimbs modified into wings. Jaw prolongs. Prolonged यानी लंबे हो जाते हैं, jaw prolonged, and to form horny beak. To form horny beak. Teeth absent. Normally teeth नहीं होते हैं, teeth की जगह पे यहाँ क्या होती है, beak is there, that is, so jaw is prolonged to form beak, teeth is of absent. Well developed lungs. Developed lungs that help in the respiration. Well developed lung which is help in the respiration. Larynx absent. Larynx absent. At the place of larynx नहीं होती है. At the place of larynx a special organ is present, that is known as syrinx, which produce voice. It produce voice and it is present below the trachea. लैरिंक्स नहीं होती है, लैरिंक्स की जगह वॉइस बॉक्स का काम जो वॉइस प्रोड्यूस करता है उसको सैरिंक्स कहते हैं. दैट इज स्पेशल ऑर्गन विच प्रोड्यूस वॉइस एंड प्रेजेंट बिलो द ट्रेकिया. Bones contain air cavity, or that is hollow bone is there. Bone contain air cavity or hollow bone is there, which is known as pneumatic. Pneumatic bone. Pneumatic that is of pneumatic bones. Pneumatic bone means that is hollow bone or air cavity present. Due to presence of air cavity, they can easily flight in the air. हल्की होते हैं तो आसानी से ये फ्लाइट कर सकते हैं. हार्ट 4 चेंबर. That is of 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. 4 chambered heart is there. Digestive tract of bird. Digestive tract contain additional chamber. That is of crop and gizzard, which is not present in the animals, we can say mammals. So digestive tract having additional chamber, that is crop and gizzard, which is present in the aves or in birds. Sense organ. Sense organ, sight. Well developed sense organ is there, that is sight. Smell is poorly developed. Poorly developed. Smell organ poorly developed, but the sight is well developed sight sense organ. Reproduction. Sexual dimorphism is there. Sexual dimorphism का मतलब होता है that male and females are differently seen from the external appearance, just like peacock and peahen. Peacock and peahen दोनों बाहर से अपन आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं. दिस इज द मेल और दिस इज द फीमेल. दैट इज नोन एज सेक्सुअल डायमॉर्फिज्म. इंटरनल फर्टिलाइजेशन. इंटरनल fertilization occur inside the body, but they produce eggs, that is of oviparous. Development occur inside the eggs. Development कहाँ होता है? अंदर eggs के अंदर ही तो. A yolk is there. Yolk, that is yellowish color material, nutrient material present inside the eggs that help in the development of embryo. Example, pigeon. Pigeon, that is of Columbo livia. Columbo livia. Peacock, that is of Pavo. Or status, Pavo, that is of peacock. So all the birds included in the class aves. Next class is of Mammalia. Mammalia word derived from mamma. Mamma means breast. Breast, that is of milk producing glands present in Mammalia. That's why that's why its name is developed origin. Mammals, well developed brain. Well developed brain is there. Warm body temperature. That is means homeothermos or warm blooded. Body temperature is there. Body covered by hair. Body hairs, the external skeleton we can say, that is of hair. females contain mammary glands. Mammary glands, that is of milk producing glands. Milk producing glands present. Oil gland is also present. Oil glands present in the skin. And sweat. Sweat glands also. Sweat glands present in the skin. The skin. Forelimbs and hind limbs have 5 digits. Forelimbs and hind limbs having 5 digits, that is of pentadactyl, 2 pairs of limbs is there. Pentadactyl means 5 digit pair limbs present. Teeth, different types of teeth present. Different type of teeth present, that is known as heterodont. Heterodont, such condition is known as heterodont whenever different types of teeth is there, just like incisor, canines, molar, premolars, that is of heterodont. Cervical vertebrae, neck consists, that is neck consists cervical vertebrae. Cervical that is of 7. Neck consists cervical vertebrae, जो 7 cervical vertebrae present होती है. Heart 4 chamber. That is of 2 auricles and 2 ventricles. External ear. Ear present. External ear present. Sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is there. Oviparous. One example is of, that is platypus. Otherwise viviparous, that is Homo sapien. Homo sapiens or Ratus, Canis, Felis, Kutta, Billi, elephant, all these are the examples of mammal or mammalia. So these are the characteristics of different phylum and class, superclass. Now this chapter is over.